the dignitaries on the dais, distinguished delegates, colleagues, my dear students, ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to all of you. Let me take this opportunity to welcome Professor Akhtar Haseeb, Pro-Vice Chancellor of Aligarh Muslim University, a distinguished scientist with 393 publications, including 22 books, and winner of 30 national and international awards and honors. He is a member and chair of several professional bodies. He has served as Vice Chancellor, Narendra Dev University of Agriculture and Technology. We welcome you, sir. I, on behalf of the Department of Wildlife Sciences, welcome our chief guest, Mr. Sunil Pandey, PCCF and Wildlife Warden of Uttar Pradesh. Mr. Pandey is a postgraduate in chemistry and he joined the Indian Forest Service in 1984. He is a distinguished conservationist and trained on Joint Forest Management and University of Wales, Bangalore, and University of British Columbia. He has helped achieve conservation goals during his service. He is also trained in zoo management from Germany and at Smithsonian. I welcome you, sir. I welcome our guest of honor, Dr. William McShare. He is a research ecologist at the Smithsonian Conservation Biology Institute at Washington, D.C. He has spent a good time in Asia, both supporting conservation efforts and on forest mammals and mentoring young professionals. He also works with Chinese colleagues to conserve large mammals such as giant panda, takin, and Asiatic black bear in bamboo forest of China. Welcome, Dr. McShare. Dr. J.S. Rawat, please accept my heartfelt welcome to Aligarh Muslim University. Dr. Rawat is a well-known name in plant taxonomy and vegetation science. He is the director of Wildlife Institute of India and is a member of IUCN Orchid and Medicinal Plant Specialist Groups. Dr. Rawat has also worked as chief scientist at the International Center for Integrated Mountain Development in Nepal. And many of us here are his students. I also welcome Dr. Matthew Howard from the School of Environmental and Life Sciences, University of Newcastle, Australia. Dr. Asad Rafi Rahmani, former Director, BNHS, and former Chairman of our own department, the Department of Wildlife Sciences, and a leading conservationist of the country. A teacher of our teachers, and is now teaching our students. An untiring career of more than 50 years as a teacher. I welcome you, sir, and your family members. I also welcome Mr. S. Srivastava, former PCCF and HOF, Odisha, and Professor D. Srivastava, who is a former professor in Ranchi University. I'm sorry for my bad throat. Yeah, he has done his research on elephants in 1976, when probably some of you were not born even. Ladies and gentlemen, the Department of Wildlife Sciences at Aligarh Muslim University was established in 1986 by late Professor Abbas Hussain Muswi. Professor Muswi, we remember you all. We remember you. All of us remember you. Since then, the department is engaged in training quality human resource capable of conducting advanced research in wildlife biology and ecology. This trained human resource is working with various wildlife organizations of national and international repute. With sustained collective efforts, the department has carved out a niche for itself in terms of quality research within the country and abroad. We have successfully established institutional mechanism of wildlife conservation and management in Republic of Yemen and Afghanistan. Recently, our students have been successful in developing a BioGeo database of Dubai. Today, we are at the threshold of developing this department into a Faculty of Environmental Studies with 3 units: the Department of Biodiversity Studies, the Department of Landscape and Climate Change Studies, and of course, the Department of Wildlife Sciences. All of this has been achieved with the support of university administration, with Government of India and several institutions and individuals from within and outside the university. The Wildlife Institute of India in particular has supported us in all our endeavors. This conference is a testimony of our continued association. This conference could not have been possible without the generosity of the funds providers. We express our utmost gratitude to each one of them. I also wish to place my welcome and thank also to Mrs. Pro Vice Chancellor, who have accompanied Mr. Pro Vice Chancellor here at this auditorium. Please give her an applause. Once again, I welcome all of you to this conference. I wish all the participants for fruitful interactions during these 3 days and beyond. Thank you very much, and God bless all.